Welcome to TechVibe. If you've been holding off on buying a new tablet because you feel like the current market is just more of the same, then today is the day your patience officially pays off. We have just received a massive wave of leaked data, supply chain reports, and internal benchmarks for the monster that is coming to claim the throne in late 2026, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. This isn't just a spec bump. We are looking at a device that might finally make the tablet as a laptop replacement dream a cold, hard reality. From a revolutionary no-notch tandem OLED display to a silicon heart that rivals desktop PCs, the Tab S12 Ultra is aiming for the jugular of the iPad Pro. In this deep dive, we're breaking down the official leaks, the projected $1,299 price tag, and that all-important September release window. Stick around until the very end, because I'm going to show you a leaked benchmark that proves why 24 GB of RAM in a tablet is about to change everything for creators. Let's get into the vibe. Every year we ask the same question: can a tablet really replace your laptop? Samsung's answer for 2026 seems to be a resounding yes. The design philosophy for the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is shifting from mobile device to precision instrument. Early renders and factory CAD leaks suggest Samsung is finally moving away from the notch that has polarized users for years. By utilizing under-display camera technology 2.0, Samsung is aiming for a truly edge-to-edge, uninterrupted 14.6-inch canvas. But it's not just about the look, it's about the tech behind the glass. We are hearing reports of a tandem OLED structure, similar to what we've seen in high-end competitors, but dialed up to a staggering 3000 nits of peak brightness. Imagine working on a 4K timeline or a digital painting in direct sunlight without a single squint. That is the power of the S12 Ultra. Now, let's talk about the casing. While the Tab S11 series stayed with Armor aluminum, the S12 Ultra is rumored to take a leaf out of the S26 Ultra's book by adopting a Grade 5 titanium chassis. This isn't just for the premium feel, it's about structural integrity. For a device this thin, we're talking a rumored 5.4mm, the rigidity of titanium is essential to prevent the bendgate issues that have haunted ultra-thin tablets in the past. It's light, it's cold to the touch, and it screams pro. Under the hood, the Tab S12 Ultra is a beast of a different nature. While the standard S12 and S12 Plus models are expected to sport the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 Plus, the Ultra is reportedly keeping the Snapdragon for Galaxy exclusive. We are looking at the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. Benchmarks are already surfacing that show a 30% jump in multi-core performance compared to the previous generation. But the real headline? The RAM. Samsung is supposedly testing a top-tier variant with 24 GB of LPDDR6 RAM. You might think that's overkill for a tablet, but with the new Neural DeX environment Samsung is building, you're going to need every gigabyte. Neural DeX is the next evolution of Samsung's desktop interface. Sources suggest it will allow for true, native Linux container support, meaning you could potentially run desktop-class coding environments or heavy-duty creative suites directly on the tablet without the mobile app limitations. This is supported by the massive NPU inside the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, which is designed to handle on-device AI tasks that would usually require a cloud connection. We're talking real-time 8K video upscaling, generative AI art creation in seconds, and a voice assistant that actually understands context without a 2-second delay. But what about the battery? A 14.6-inch 3000 nit screen and a powerhouse processor need fuel. The leaks point to an 11,800 mAh battery. While that's only a slight increase in raw capacity over the S10 and S11 Ultra, the efficiency of the 3nm architecture in the new chipset means we could see the first Ultra tablet that actually clears 15 hours of heavy use. And yes, for those asking, 45W charging is likely staying, but there are whispers of a new super-fast charging 3.0 that could push that closer to 65W for the Ultra model specifically, getting you from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. For the artists and note-takers watching, the S Pen is getting its biggest upgrade in years. The S Pen Pro 3 is expected to ship in the box with the S12 Ultra. The big change here? Haptic feedback. Imagine the pen vibrating slightly to mimic the feel of lead on paper, or the drag of a brush on a canvas. It's a tactile layer of immersion that makes digital art feel, well, real. Couple that with a sub-2 ms latency, and you have a tool that is effectively indistinguishable from physical media. Photography on a tablet has always been a bit of a meme, but for professionals, those cameras are scanners and AR tools. The S12 Ultra is rumored to feature a dual 12MP front-facing setup optimized for center stage style tracking during video calls. On the back, we're seeing a 13MP main and a new 12MP ultra-wide. But the software is where the magic happens. Samsung is leaning heavily into AI-assisted document scanning and 3D room mapping, making this a legitimate tool for architects and interior designers who need to capture a space and immediately start overlaying 3D models. Pricing and availability are always the big questions. Given the jump to titanium and the inclusion of the tandem OLED, the premium price is inevitable. In the US market, expect a starting price of $1,299 for the 256GB model. For those in the UK, Europe, and Australia, currency adjustments and taxes will likely push this even higher. It's a steep entry price, but Samsung is positioning this not against other tablets, but against high-end laptops like the MacBook Air and the Surface Pro. If you can do everything on one device, the price becomes much easier to swallow. The expected launch window is September 2026. This aligns with Samsung's historical release cycle for their flagship tablets, often appearing alongside the new Galaxy FE phones or as a standalone powerhouse announcement to steal the spotlight from the annual iPhone launch. Pre-orders in the US usually come with some insane trade-in deals, so if you have an S9 or S10 Ultra, that might be your golden ticket to a relatively affordable upgrade. Why should you care about the Tab S12 Ultra specifically? Because we are at a tipping point. For years, Android tablets were just big phones. Then they became decent media machines. With the S12 Ultra, they are becoming true computers. The combination of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, the potential for 24GB of RAM, and the move to a no-notch display creates a device that has no compromise. It's the ultimate media machine, the ultimate gaming rig, and for many, it will be the only computer they need to carry. As we look toward the official unveiling, the excitement is building for a reason. Samsung isn't just playing catch-up anymore, they are setting the pace. The iPad Pro has the M-series chips, but Samsung has the ecosystem flexibility, the S Pen included in the box, and a file management system that doesn't feel like it's fighting you at every turn. If the leaks regarding Neural DeX are even 50% accurate, the productivity gap is about to vanish. Thank you for hanging out with us at TechVibe. We've covered a lot today, from the titanium build and the tandem OLED to the raw power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This tablet is shaping up to be the definitive tech release of 2026. But I want to hear from you. Does the removal of the notch and the addition of titanium justify that $1,299 price tag for you? Or are you sticking with your current setup until the foldable tablet era truly begins? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read as many as I can and love the debate. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, it really helps the channel grow, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're the first to know when the official S12 Ultra benchmarks drop. We've got a lot more tech coming your way, so stay tuned. This has been TechVibe, keeping you ahead of the curve. Catch you in the next one.